Hey y'all! Today I am going to show you my top 5 blogging tools. Hey guys, Jasmine here, and I wrote a blog post with 20 plus blogging tools that I absolutely love. They're tools I've been using for several years. They're still doing really well for me. I think that a lot of blogging tools can solve blogging problems you may be facing today. For the sake of this video, I wanted to get to the nitty-gritty, my top 5 blogging tools. So I'm going to go into detail about those 5 and tell you why I think they are so important for your blog. If you are interested in the other 15 plus blogging tools that I use for my blog at Miss Millennium Magazine and that Chris and I use for Blogging Money Life, feel free to check out the article. The link is in the description below. Okay, y'all, let's start with tool number 1. And that tool is WordPress. No, not WordPress.com, WordPress.org. Now, WordPress is a content management system. It is free to use. All you have to do is download it into your theme that you have for your blog. A lot of blogs use WordPress. I always say if you are familiar with Microsoft Word, WordPress has a lot of similarities to the tools and the setup as Microsoft Word. Now, why use a content management system? Well, if you are not a coder and you don't know how to build your website from scratch, having a content management system is kind of necessary. It is that in-between thing that makes it so that it's easy for us, people who are not as technical savvy, to be able to have a website. So you want to make sure you have a content management system of sorts. WordPress is just the one that I like to use. I always like to tell the story of when I first started my blog. I did not know about content management systems, so I was out here hand coding every single article that I wrote, every single page that I had on my site, and it was so tiring. And I could not figure out how normal people were out here creating blogs. I was so grateful for my friend who told me about WordPress, downloaded it on my website, and things became a lot easier for me to create content on the fly. If you don't have WordPress, I highly recommend it. It's a good tool to have. Okay, let's talk about tool number 2. This one is also a free one to use, and I think one of the first tools you should have access to when you create your blog, and that is Google Analytics. All you have to do is sign up, prove that you own the website that you're trying to track, and you do that by pretty much putting code onto the website from Google Analytics, and then it starts tracking things. It tracks your page views, your sessions, users. It can see where people are coming from before they come to your website. Definitely sign up for it. It's free, and you put it on your website so you can track what's happening. Moving on to tool number 3. That tool is ConvertKit. Now that you have your website set up, you have Google Analytics installed, ConvertKit makes sense because it's an opportunity for you to collect email subscribers on your website. There's a couple of things I want to say about this. The first is being able to collect email subscribers is one of the main factors that makes it possible for you to bring income for your blog. Whether that be you sending emails out regarding affiliate products that you want to promote, or sending emails out for products that you create yourself. And the third way is if you have advertising on your website and you want to get some more traction for the articles that are being published, you can also send it to your list, letting them know like, hey, we have new content, check it out. Now, I like ConvertKit because it was a tool that was created specifically with bloggers in mind. So what they do is they make it easy for you to send out broadcast emails, automated emails for people who sign up for your list. And then they even have triggers so that if someone clicks a link or opens an email, you can put them down different automations depending on their action. I also like that ConvertKit stays up to date with all the new things happening with bloggers and social media, and they make adjustments to their platform accordingly. If you want to learn more about ConvertKit, feel free to check out the link in my description below, and you should be able to get a free trial going to test it out for yourself. Moving on to tool number 4, RankIQ. Now, we talked about having a content management system, having analytics to track what's happening there, having ConvertKit so that you can track what emails are actually coming in. And RankIQ is important because you want to make sure you're getting traffic to your website. One of the best sources of traffic you can get to your site is from Google search. And I say this because not only is it free, It's fairly easy to get so long as you're doing keyword research, but it is great quality traffic. When you look at some of our articles within Google Analytics, you see that we have people coming in from Facebook and they stay for like 30 seconds. You have people coming in from Twitter and they're staying for like 3 seconds. But when you look at someone who comes from Google search, it averages between 3 to 5 minutes a person. And there's a reason for that, because that organic traffic you're getting is someone who is looking for what you are writing about. So if someone was searching for what's the best TV for me to buy, and then they find your article on top 10 TVs to buy, they're going to spend some time on that article because they're getting ready to purchase. So getting search engine traffic is really, really good. Just getting good quality people who are going to stay on your site for a period of time, but getting people who are willing to take action, whether that be buying an affiliate product on your site or buying your products, whatever it may be. This is why RankIQ is important. Now let me tell you about what RankIQ is. RankIQ is a platform that makes it easy for you to find keywords that will rank you quickly on your blog. Now the guy who created it is a blogger, Brandon Gale, and what he does is he goes and he finds the best keywords that you can possibly rank for. You go through his list of keywords and pick the ones that you want to rank for, and you can choose which ones will be the best for you based on how quick you can rank. So you pick the quickest keywords to rank for, write the articles for it, and he gives you a whole list of keywords to include in that blog post so that you do rank and how many words it should have, along with some ideas on different titles and things to have for that blog post. I've been using RankIQ for a couple of months now, and I can say that this tool is phenomenal. It works. You just have to continue to use it, find those keywords, and that traffic will come. RankIQ has become easily one of the most important tools I use on my blog. Now, I do have a affiliate link for RankIQ if you want to check it out. If you use my link, you can get 50% off. Go ahead and check it out in the description below. Number 5 is Canva. So many of you may have heard of Canva. If you are not a graphic designer, meaning you do not have experience on Photoshop or any other tools that require you to like get a degree of some sort to be able to use it, Canva is the tool for you. It makes it very simple for you to create social media images for your blogs or to edit images that you take for products or recipes on your blog, and it makes it very, very easy to do. Now, I was on the fence about Canva for a long time because it was a tool that I felt was lacking a lot of things that I needed, and over the years it has improved drastically. There are so many things that it is always incorporating and making better, similar to how ConvertKit is, because it knows its audience, bloggers and other people who are working in fast-paced industries where you're working with the internet, things happen quickly, and you need to be able to have the things you need to create great content. So they have different templates that you can choose from, whether that be creating a media kit, creating social media images, or creating a new TikTok video. There are a ton of templates you can use on Canva. What I really like about it though is if you have a template, for example, of something that you want to keep recreating, Canva has a template feature that allows you to save all your templates. So you just grab the template and just keep using it over and over again, which I absolutely love. Canva is fairly inexpensive too if you get the paid version of it, which is something that I just pay for because it is so worth it. If you're interested in Canva, you can use my affiliate link in the description below and check it out from there. And that's it. Those are my top 5 tools, y'all. Now, like I mentioned, I use 20 plus. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. But if you want to know what the rest of those tools are, feel free to check out the article on my blog with the link in the description below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.